Hello everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so by the way, I am Cherry Rose Rivera, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe or to click first the subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so that you will be notified whenever I post new videos. Okay, so for today's video, we are going to have a review about the item that I bought from Shopee. Okay, so as you can see in the title below, so I am going to review what I have experienced about this item. So we called it Lapel. Okay, so if you're interested about this, so just keep on watching. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I am already using the item. So I just put it right beside here. So bumili ako nito guys kasi nagvo-vlog ako at saka mahinat po talaga yung boses ko. So I really need this kind of item. So actually guys, ngayon ko pa lang siya nagagamit. So ito yung unang video na may ganito ako. So guys, let's see the difference. Paano kapag gagamitin natin siya malapit sa ating baba. Hello! Hello! And paano kung ilalagay lang natin siya dito. Hello! Okay, so you can notice the difference. So, ayun guys, yun yung difference niya. Hello! So, as you can hear guys, so nabuboost niya talaga yung boses nyo. And also, parang minimize nami-minimize yung noise sa ating palibot. So, ngayon guys, kung naririnig nyo, video sila sa labas. So, ayun. So, very useful niya talaga guys. And also, it is very affordable. So, ito yung price niya guys. Ayan. So, ilalagay ko lang yung price niya dyan. And also, if you wanted to buy this item, I will put the link where I bought this item. So, when you click the link, you will go directly to the shop where I exactly bought. Okay? So, guys, I recommend you to buy this item kung nagva-vlog ka and also your voice is very mahina. And also, useful talaga siya guys sa mga vloggers na malilikot mag-video. Ayun. So guys, tingnan natin kung ano yung boses natin kapag hindi ko siya gagamitin. Okay? So, let's see. So, ngayon, di ba, ginagamit ko siya. How about when I will not use this item? So, let's see. Alright, so guys, ngayon ay hindi ko na siya ginagamit. So, pakinggan nyo yung boses or notice nyo yung difference, guys, nung may lapel at nung walang lapel. So, ayun, guys. Okay, so guys, binalik ko na siya. So, ginagamit ko na siya ngayon. So, guys, nung nabili ko siya, nung dumating siya sa akin, ito po yung box niya. Ayan. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. So, yung name ng item niya is a lavalier microphone. Ayan. I'm sorry guys kung hindi masyado makita. Ayan. Ayan guys. So, and also guys, yung box may kasama siyang pouch. So, dito siya nakalagay. Yung microphone or yung lapel niya. Nakabalot siya ng maayos. Siyempre, bago nito guys, may nakabalot siya muna nung packaging ng JNT. Kasi JNT yung nag-deliver nito. Ayan. And also guys, sobrang bilis niya lang dumating as in, siguro mga 3 days. After 3 days, dumating na agad siya ha. So, yung shop nito is galing pa sa Manila. Tapos, yung lugar ko is, Visayas. So, ayun, after 3 days, na-receive ko na siya, guys. So, I recommend you na bumili kayo nito if nagva-vlog kayo. And also, guys, good investment na to for those na nagva-vlog kasi sobrang affordable niya na as in. So, saan kayo makakabili ng 100 plus lang na microphone, diba? lapel kasi merong lapel na sobrang mahal. So, it is a very good investment for those who are nagsisimula pa lang mag-vlog. Kasi need natin din to kasi nagpapaboost talaga siya ng ating boses. And also guys, you can use this in mukbang, I think. So, pwede tayo ditong magmukbang. So, ilalapit lang natin yung microphone. Hello. Ayan.
Okay, so guys, may muntik na akong makalimutan. Para pala gumana yung lapel, kailangan muna nating mag-download ng app. So, yung name ng app is Open Camera. So, if wala pa kayo nun, punta lang kayo sa Play Store at saka hanapin natin yung Open Camera sa Play Store. At saka ito yung itsura ng Open Camera. So, i-download nyo yan guys. Tapos nyo nang i-download yan, i-open lang natin. So, na-download ko na kasi yung akin, kaya yan, open na yung lumabas. So, ayan guys. So, after natin i-click, ito yung itsura niya. So, may makita kayo diyang setting sa itaas guys. Ito. Yan yung i-click nyo. Pagkatapos, hanapin nyo yung video settings. So, ito. Tapos, punta tayo sa audio source. And then, i-click natin yung external mic if present. Okay, so ayan. So, ayun na guys. So, pwede na kayong gumamit ng lapel nyo. So, kapag gagamit kayo ng lapel nyo, yung gagamitin yung camera is yung open camera kasi hindi siya gagana sa camera ng phone nyo. Ayun. So, ayun guys. So, actually, na-watch ko din ito sa, sa YouTube, sa ibang vlogger. So, kaya alam ko yung may ganito pala dapat na i-download na app bago siya gumana yung lapel. So, ayun guys. So, kayo na bahala mag-explore dito guys sa app na to. Basta, pag gagamit kayo ng lapel, ito yung gagamitin nyo para gumana yung lapel nyo. Okay? So, meron na tayo ditong camera at saka video. At saka ito yung option natin for front camera or back. Okay, so yan lang guys.
So, ayun guys. So, that's all for today's video. And that's all for my review. I hope that you learned something in this video. And also, na engganyo ko kayong bumili ng ganito sa mga vloggers na baguhan dyan. So, it is a very good investment because very affordable niya na. Ayun. So, guys, that's all for today. So, I hope to see you next time in my next videos.